So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Small Change with Shay. Now I am going to try something I have not tried before, and the only reason I want to do this is because, let me tell you first what I'm trying to do to make an, I shouldn't say an everlasting tablescape or table setup for winter, or something that's interchangeable that you can use for every season. But I am doing this only because last year, last year, we're in 2023, my Christmas tablescape was just a vase with a bunch of flour thrown in there. And I know I could have done better than that. But I also know sometimes to think about it creatively last minute is just too much, especially when you're doing a lot of decorating, which is what I was doing. Anyhow, I wanted to do something that would last and something I can just lift up and put away for another season, or just change out the floral part of it or whatever. So I decided to use this. This is something from the Dollar Tree or dollar store that I've had for a while. I want something that's not heavy, something I can easily carry around or shove in a huge bag and put it in my attic, something that will last. So I came up with the idea of using this board, we shall see, to create my forever quote unquote tablescape. So I'm gonna add this to it, of course, and this will help keep the flowers intact. I'm using my glue gun, as you can see. I don't know how it's gonna come out, guys. I really don't know. This is just the first time trying something for me, and I just want to see how it looks. Okay, my glue is finished. I need to push another one there. Yeah, it's just something to see. It's not, it doesn't hurt to try something out. If you have it in your brain and you want to put it on paper, do it, because if you're like me, it's just gonna drive you crazy until you get it done, God forbid. But yeah, so this is what I'm doing. I'm trying to make a tablescape or a table centerpiece that can last and that I can change around as the season change, even for Easter, guys. Easter is coming up and we love our Easter flowers or whatever, or Valentine's Day, whatever it is. So hopefully it works out the way I see it in my brain. And I'm using like winter berries and some winter greens that I have. And I think you can, I think it's winter stuff, guys. If it's not, feel free to correct me, because I am not too up on floral arrangements and stuff like that. I just know I bought it years ago at Christmas time, around the Christmas season, and I have never, I've never really used it much. So let's see if I know what I'm doing, if my brain is smarter than my hands. And I wanted something long. I don't know if you can see the width of this, which I will show you once I'm finished. Just adding this. Okay, now this is what it is. This is where I'm going to fit the flower, and as I said, I wanted length. Okay, and the edges is kind of rough, so my idea is to put these ribbons around the edges. As I said, don't hold it against me if it doesn't come out right. It's just ideas that I have that I am gonna try out. So we're gonna see the final results together. Okay. And I mean, if it doesn't come out well, guys, no loss. on my part, because I didn't go out and purchase anything new to make this work. It's just things that I've had before. So that's why I'm not bothered by, you know, how it really comes out. And this is just to cover all the rough edges. So.
And with that, the 2022 season comes to an end. Good night.
a different design on this if I choose to, but I am gonna try it without removing that middle part, and put my candle in there. And voila! What do you think? Guys, I don't think it looks bad. I think it's huge. Probably bigger than I wanted it to look. I'm gonna actually set it on my dining table so you can get the full effect of it. Let me know what you think. I don't think it's bad. I think it looks pretty good. And as I said, I did want something large, and all I'm going to do is take this out so you can remove your vase, remove your candle, put a different vase, take out some of this, put three, you know, 2 or 3 candle stand or whatever you want to call it. I mean, take the berries out, put some floral arrangement, some actual floral arrangement. So everything's removable. Everything's doable, I should say. Yeah, removable, doable, whatever. And create your own. Create your own. Tell me what you think about mine. I am pretty much liking it very much. And I hope you do too. Guys, please give me a thumbs up on this. Alrighty, bye now. For now.